Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am back to show you how to get real dynamic island on any iPhone and support iOS 16, 17, and 18 with the latest method without any errors. In this latest update, you can install Dynamic Island without any errors like red bar when enabling Dynamic Island on the iPhone X series. And now the bug has been fixed, and I will show you how to get the Dynamic Island installed perfectly. First of all, you need a computer to install the Dynamic Island. Before using Nugget, make sure you have installed Python and iTunes to run Nugget App. You can download Python and Tunes on Windows Store. Download and install Nugget App on your computer. It is available on Windows and Mac. I will insert the link download of Nugget App on description. After installed, then run Nugget App. After that, ensure your device connected to computer with USB cable. Then wait until your device is detected in the Nugget app. Once detected, you will be able to use Nuggets. Here, I will try my iPhone X device with iOS 16. As I told you from the start, it supports iOS 16, 17, and 18. After that, go to the MobileGestalt section. Then set the device subtype preset. Then change it to the type of dynamic island you want. Here I am using an iPhone X, so I want to use Dynamic Island on the iPhone 14 Pro. Then go to Apply section. On this section, you need a MobileGestalt file that created by your iDevice. So, back to your iPhone. Then add this shortcut. I will insert the link shortcut MobileGestalt on description. After you added the MobileGestalt, run the shortcut, then save the MobileGestalt file to Files app. Then find the MobileGestalt file on Files app, then send it to your computer. You can send it via WhatsApp, Discord, email, or any transfer file to your computer. After sent it, back to Nugget app. Then select the MobileGestalt file that you sent earlier. And the last, click Apply Changes. Your device will reboot. Wait, the device is turning on. And now, your iPhone will have a dynamic island like on the iPhone 14 Pro or newer. This dynamic island is the same as dynamic islands in general. There are no different features. For example, I will activate the dynamic island by running a timer or screen record on this iPhone. For your information, if you want to remove the dynamic island, you can open the Nugget app again, then select Reset MobileGestalt or Remove Tweaks on Nugget. It will revert to original MobileGestalt on your device. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you need help, leave your comment below. I will help you to get Dynamic Island on your device. See you on the next video.